Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is LCM. LCM stands for least or lowest common multiple. We can find out the LCM of two or more numbers by the following three methods. Number one is LCM by finding common multiples, and number two is by prime factorization method, and number three is by division method. And I'll explain you all these three methods one by one. The first method is find the LCM by finding common multiples. I have taken two numbers 8 and 12. So what does come in your mind when you say the word multiples? Yes, the operation of multiplication. And a multiple is that number which we get after multiplying two numbers. So you can say a multiple is a product of two numbers. So in order to find out the multiples of different numbers, we use multiplication operation. Let's find out the multiples of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. I'm just writing first 6 multiples of 8, and again I'll write the first 6 multiples of 12. So 12 1s are 12, 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 5s are 60, and 12 6s are 72. So in both the cases I have written first 6 multiples, and these dots represent that the set of multiples is unlimited. It has unlimited elements. So now we are going to loop the common multiples. Here you can see 24 is present over here and in the set of 8. So if we loop this 24, is it any common multiple? Yes. Next is 48. It is also common. So I'm writing the common multiples over here, 24 and 48. We can have some more common multiples if we write the more multiples of 8 and more multiples of 12. Now 24 is the smallest multiple, so the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. The second method by which we can find out the LCM of two or more numbers is by prime factorization method. Factorization is a process in which we break down a number into its prime factors, and we use this symbol to find out the prime factors. So 18 is an even number. The smallest prime number is 2, so we will divide it by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is an odd number. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, and then 3 1s are 3. 24 is also an even number. It is also divisible by 2. 2 12s are 24. Again, it is an even number. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3. Third number is 36. It is also an even number, divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1, and it will go with 6 to make it 16. So 2 8s are 16. Now 2 9s are 18, and 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. The prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Then the prime factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. The prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to loop the common factors. This 2 is present in all the sets, so it is common. This 3 is present in all the sets, so it is also common. But students, here we have some difference, because we have to take common factors when they are present in two sets of factors in case of LCM. So I'm going to loop these two as well. These are also common in case of LCM, but not in case of HCF. So this 3 is also common in case of LCM. LCM is the product of common factors and all the remaining factors. So the common factors are, we will take 1 from this 2, 1 from this 2, 1 from this 3 and 1 from this. These are the common factors, and what is the remaining? Just 2 is the remaining factor. Now I am going to make pairs of these factors. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, multiplied by 2, 4 9s are 36. Now we will multiply 36 by 2, 2 6s are 12, 1 will be carried to 3 and 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 72. So the LCM of these three numbers is 70. Okay students, the third method by which we can find out the LCM of bigger numbers is by division method. I have taken three numbers, 27, 81 and 54, and we will use this symbol for division method. So first of all, you have to write down the numbers in ascending order. So first we will write 27, then 54 and then 81. Okay, now you have to use test of divisibility over here. Let's check how many numbers are divisible by 2. It is an odd number, not divisible by 2. It is an even number, it is divisible by 2. It is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So just one number is divisible by 2. But we have to take at least two numbers which are divisible by any other number. So let's check these numbers are divisible by 3 or not. Let's apply the test of divisibility for number 3. 2 plus 7 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9. So all these are divisible by 3. So I'm writing 3 over here and I'm going to divide all these numbers by this number 3. 3 9s are 27. Here 3 1s are 3. 2 will be left and it will make 24 over here. 3 8s are 24. Now 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, 2 is left, it will make 21, and 3 7s are 21. Now all these numbers are again divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18 and 3 9s are 27. Here you have to take care that your columns must be straight. Now 3, 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Now students, you can see these are the common factors of 27, 81 and 54, and these are the remaining factors. LCM is the product of common and all the remaining or uncommon factors. So I am writing the common factors first. 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied by the remaining factors, that is 2 multiplied by 3. Now I am going to multiply these factors one by one. 3 3s are 9 and 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 2s are 6. 9 3s are 27 multiplied by 6. 6 7s are 42. 2 will be carried over, written over here. 4 will be carried to 2. 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 162 is the LCM of these three numbers.